or you can just select the button here. So all this button here you can see in your toolbox as well. And for your register, you can see that you can check it in the binary, in the hex, and in the decimal format. For example, can you see here something changed? Yes, it's binary. And for example, we can select as a decimal. You can see this is the decimal number, but usually we select as a hexadecimal. And this section is for text segment here, and this one is for the data segment. Let me check the data segment. We are in data segment now. For example, we want to change it to the binary format. Can you see this is the binary format? But usually we select just hexadecimal. And also you have a window, you don't need it, and it helps if you need something, you can check this button. And also just one thing more, you have one button as a setting. When you select as a setting, you find this window. It's MIPS and the QtSPIM. This is a different format for simulation, but actually I will tell you if you need to change something here. For example, you can select that your machine is barrier machine, or for example your machine is enable map IO, or for example just accept the pseudo instruction. Usually it's just like this. But if for example check this, you can see this is the simple machine and this is the barrier machine. Let me just try it. You can see when you check it that bare machine, it means that just this one, and this one is selected, but within the simple machine just this one is selected. They are different feature in these two category. You don't change it. Okay, now it's time to open our first program. If you check in your lab sheet, I explain you everything about how to open a new program. Something that is important is that your file should be ended with the .s or .asm. These are the format of the ASM or MIPS format. Okay, now I have one example here for you. This is our first example, actually our only example for this session. I just want to copy paste the code in one notepad, and you should do it same. Just open one notepad and just copy your code here. Okay, this is your code here, and you should save it. Just save that. This is the important part of our explanation. This is, if you watch here, this is start.txt, but it must be something else. For example, I wanna put the name as a lab. For example, today is lab 6. Okay, and .asm, this is important, or .s, but I usually select .asm and just save it. Okay, now this is our code. Our code is ready. It's time to invite our code to our QtSPIM. But before that, let me try to bottom here. Focus on this one, this area. If I click on the clear register, you can see that our register is cleared. Or for example, if you select on this one, this bottom is initialization simulator. So at first you should select on this one, and after that clear your register. Okay, so you need to have your register free. Now our notepad is ready, and we just invite it. Just go to file, load file. Okay, and also you can find the load file here or here, load file, or here. They are the same. Sorry, it was lab 6. Let me find it. I think I save it on desktop. Yes, this is in the desktop, the lab 6. Just click on it